SALCOR, the most tested, the most trusted, the most proven UV wastewater disinfection system in the world. SALCOR is the leader of on-site UV disinfection and has been implemented worldwide since 1997. SALCOR has been leading the on-site industry with innovative designs and providing the benchmark for operational stability and customer satisfaction. SALCOR has also offered leadership to help create national standards and has been a board member of several on-site industry organizations. But who is SALCOR? How did all this begin? The founder of SALCOR is Dr. James Kruver. He began his water reclamation career while earning his PhD in chemical engineering. In the 1960s, he developed a method for anticipating coolant loss in a nuclear reactor mishap. His method is still used today worldwide in the design of nuclear reactors. Wow, smart guy. Jim was also a member of the team that developed the reverse osmosis technology that is used in the Carlsbad, California seawater desalination plant. That system furnishes 10% of San Diego County's water use. Then, Jim began utilizing ultraviolet light, or UV. He began building UV disinfection systems for fish tanks at the San Diego SeaWorld, Florida's Disney Epcot Center, Baltimore's National Aquarium, and other aquariums and fish hatcheries around the U.S. Dr. Kruver's UV disinfection technology has saved millions of shellfish from wastewater contamination. Then, in 1997, Jim revolutionized UV disinfection by using a unique Teflon film on the UV lamps and launched the SALCOR 3G UV unit. The 3G is designed to disinfect wastewater systems for single residential homes, but is scalable to over 100,000 gallons per day for use in commercial and municipal systems. But wait, why use ultraviolet light? Ultraviolet light is a form of radiation which is not visible to the human eye. It's an invisible part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Dr. Kruver learned that bacteria, virus, and other harmful bugs in wastewater can be rendered neutral when exposed to UV light. The light alters the DNA so they can no longer reproduce, thus eliminating the spread of harmful bugs. Other types of systems use harmful chemicals such as chlorine that, when added to the water, it tries to kill the bugs. With those systems, there are two big issues. One, you now have water that has added chlorine and other chemicals. Is that really safe for the environment? But two, an even bigger issue, is that we now have chlorine-resistant superbugs. So now we need even more harmful chemicals added to our water. That just doesn't seem very smart. Dr. Kruver promotes a clean and easy way to eliminate harmful bacteria and viruses, including those nasty superbugs, by simply turning on the ultraviolet light switch. So let me introduce to you the 3G unit. The 3G unit employs a unique proprietary UV process to disinfect wastewater by rendering those harmful bugs inactive. These life-threatening microbes are unable to survive and reproduce. The 3G unit does not use harmful chemicals to disinfect. In fact, wastewater is released chemical-free and is able to be used in clean water recovery and reuse. SALCOR's 3G unit is totally safe. Even during nature's catastrophes, The 3G unit proves durable and still safely functioning after 30 days underwater. The 3G can be utilized as a single unit, or several units can be connected together to produce a powerhouse of disinfection, from 9,000 gallons per day to over 100,000 gallons per day, from a single residence to support an entire community or commercial center. The 3G is amazingly flexible. SALCOR's 3G unit is the most third-party tested system in the world for on-site UV, and is an approved partner with almost 30 different company treatment systems. UL listed and proven to work under extreme environments, like still operating after 30 days underwater. The 3G unit has outlasted hurricanes, earthquakes, electrical storms, and is perfect for delicate ecosystems such as lakes, rivers, islands, and ocean shorelines, but is equally effective in the mountains, deserts, plains. The 3G unit has been installed in every continent except Antarctica, and is continually shipped all over the world. We won't be surprised if someday you'll find one of our units on the moon. Another benefit is the super low operating costs by using less than 40 watts, and includes a 2-year warranty on the UV lamp. Crazy, right? So while we think this is the best thing since the invention of indoor toilets, let's hear what others have to say about SALCOR's 3G unit.
Hello, my name is Preston Johnson from Mineco Wastewater, Alexander, Arkansas. We have quite a few clients that have the SALCOR UV Disinfection. Very good product. We service it, we install it, and really good product, and Mr. Jim stands behind it.
The ease of installation is really the simplest thing. It's very simple to put in. Instructions are simple to follow. It's just a product that we've never really had any real problems with, and that's worth everything. It really is.
I'm from Arkansas.
I'm from Louisville, Kentucky. Excellent. I work for Zoller Pump Company. We sell the SALCOR unit. We have lots of customers that use them. Everybody likes them. I've installed them. They're easy to use. They're user-friendly.
Yes, I work for Mineco Wastewater out of Alexander, Arkansas. And we do, the company I work for, they do design work, install work, service work, repairs, and inspections. We've installed a lot of SALCOR units as well. Very effective piece of equipment for what it's designed for. Operational. Really good. SALCOR is a great product.
I've known Jim and Sally for over 15 years now, and we've done business with their company for all of that time. If you're thinking about using a UV light, I encourage you to use SALCOR.
Hi, I'm Dustin with Above Grade Septic, and this is Candace. We've used the SALCOR unit for many years on a lot of our ATUs, and been pretty happy with it with the research and time that Jim and Sally put into it. Thank you.
SALCOR, I know a lot about it as a professional engineer in Pennsylvania for more than 40 years. I've seen the application, it works well, and the company's great, and the folks behind it are awesome. I can tell you that it's a good company, and look into it, it's a good thing. Thank you.
Absolutely support the SALCOR product, the first original disinfection system in the on-site industry. And this gentleman right here, Jim Kruver, has forgotten more about disinfection than most people ever know. Give him a call.
So who would have dreamed that what Dr. Kruver designed back in 1979 would not only still be pertinent today, but is needed even more now than ever? Can you say superbugs? Anywhere that you need to keep the environment clean. Anywhere that has harmful bacteria and viruses, including those superbugs. And anywhere that you don't want to add more harmful chemicals to your wastewater. That's where you need SALCOR's 3G unit. Call today. Ask for Jim.